Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's trying to copy the envelope tool to a different names for the same thing, and they're trying to use the attribute eyedropper. I don't think really the envelope tool is an attribute. So we're going to grab the envelope tool and we're going to select single art mode. I'm going to hold down the shift key, and what that does, that makes both nodes. So if we do not hold down the shift key, you only get the top. But if you hold down the shift key and hold that one, it'll mimic both sides. Well, evidently I didn't do it. Shift key. Oh, it went back to non-constrained. So when you're doing this, you need to make sure you're on non-constrained. Hold down the shift key and then you grow it like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick your next name and you're going to go to Object, Copy Effect. No, Copy Effect, Envelope. And then you're going to click on your, you've already got the word bill clicked. We're going to click on that. Same thing on this. Just go back, Greg, Object, Copy Effect, Envelope, and then copy. You're telling it to make Greg into this envelope. So you can do that now. You know, all of them don't all look the same because a 4-letter word versus a 10-letter word isn't going to look the same, but it's going to copy that effect, and all of them should be about the same size. We can actually try that. Let's try a little bit longer word, and let's make it bigger than the original. So I've got it selected. I'm going to go to Object, Copy Effect, Envelope, and we'll go back to the original. And what it does do, it makes it only fit in that envelope. So they're going to be identical. And we can kind of test that, but if you hold down the shift key and double click your rectangle tool, it's going to put a rectangle around your box. And if you look, and if we put these two together, so we can select both these and go C, E, and you can see the text box is the same, even though this word was bigger to start with. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.